So Christian and a homeowner just reached out, and they want to know what happens right after they call.
Sure. Well, when a homeowner reaches out, first things first, as most of you guys will like to hear, we don't just start selling something for the sake of selling something. In fact, what we do is we start listening. We start asking questions. We want to get to the bottom of why this is a problem, introduce ourselves as a subject matter expert, and guide you through the process.
So your guys are going to come out and I don't know that I need to do anything. Is it, I hate when you're walking through the mall, it's the guys at the kiosks flicking the cards or whatever. Is that what's going to be, what's happening? Because the door knockers that come to the door can be real aggressive.
Occasionally, if they're poorly trained. But our team is all trained to be a consultative sales organization, meaning, yes, if you do buy something from us, we are technically selling something. But really what we're doing is trying to educate and consult with you so that you can make your own decisions on your own scale and you're feeling in control at the time.
Okay. So if I wanted to schedule something, how do I go about doing that?
Well, all you need to do is reach out to any of our phone numbers listed online, 720-552-3321, or if you're up in Cheyenne, 307-277-4441. That's the easiest way. Or you can just look us up online. Our information's there. You can fill out one of our landing page inquiries, and we'll reach out to you very quickly.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.